right, Josh. So let's talk a little bit about focus during practice sessions when we're on the golf course, maybe in tournament play. What helps you maintain focus, and when you're losing focus, what helps you kind of bring it back and really dial in?
Well, in terms of the practice, practice range, when I come out here, I try to stay as focused as possible. I try to go through my routine as much as I can. I'll lay down alignment sticks to really make sure I know exactly where I'm aiming. In terms of the course, it's all about just mentally staying locked in and going through my practice routine. I know sometimes the round can get long and I can get tired, and it's easy to just kind of go up and hit a shot, but I notice that when I stay focused and when I make sure I know exactly where I'm swinging, I go through the same practice routine. That's when I have my best results. It's just a matter of me actually doing that all the time is what I have issues with.
I like how you mentioned the round is long. Sometimes we're out there for 4.5, 5 hours, and it is really easy to lose focus. On the golf course, and even out here on the practice range. You could be out here for a couple hours, going through 2 buckets of balls, and it is kind of hard to focus. So let me have you just hit a shot here, and really try to focus on just keeping your pre-shot routine. Focusing on the shot, what you want to hit, kind of visualize it. Let's just go through one and pretend
Okay.
This is how we're going to keep focus.
Okay.
So give me some feedback on there what you went through with the routine leading up to the shot.
Yeah, well, I like to stand behind the ball to kind of visualize it first, just to get a clear picture of kind of what I'm doing. I like to start the ball a little left and kind of end it right. I like to cut the ball a little bit with all my clubs. I thought I was pretty good. I locked in. I made sure my feet were set. I felt like my balance was good. And then I think what I didn't do right that time is really focus on where I'm swinging. I kind of swung out a little bit to the right, and it kind of started where I wanted to finish, and then moved even further right. So I think definitely I lost a little focus there towards the end of where I was trying to go with the ball.
One thing, and it's just something I tell a lot of my students with maintaining focus, even when if it's here on the practice tee or if it's on the first tee. When we're out there playing around a golf, we're out there for 4 hours, 4.5 hours. And, you think about how much time we're actually hitting shots, and it's maybe 30, 35 minutes we're actually hitting shots on the golf course. And when you hit that shot and you're walking to your next one or you're riding to your next one, it's always a good idea just to kind of come out of that focus, relax, decompress, and then just get ready for the next one.
Right.
It's going to be hard to maintain focus for 4 hours just straight. So it's be a lot easier if you focus on maintaining that focus for that
Just
10 to 15 seconds at a time during those shots.
That makes sense.
And if you break it down into those, I'm going to dial in for this amount of time right here and really put effort in. I think you're going to find it's a lot easier to keep that focus, and it's probably going to produce better shot results in the end.
Definitely.
All right, let's move on to something else.
Okay, perfect.